Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Little bitch wanna be Gucci down. You pull out the city, better shoot me now. Got us on the bed, now you want a movie now. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down.
Hey guys, it's Amber and I'm back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to do another hair tutorial. Actually, y'all, just took my box braids out. I don't know if I did a video with my box braids in. I think I did a few videos with my box braids in, but y'all, just took my braids out. I just combed it out to be prepared for this video, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to do like a side part ponytail thing with the like a little curly drawstring ponytail. I just got it, and yeah, I'm going to tell y'all about this ponytail I got. I got this from the beauty supply store earlier today. I came to the store. I was gonna get some bundles and just wrap around my hair, but I ended up getting this. So this is the equal retread drawstring ponytail. I only got it for $16 at the beauty supply store in my local city. And yeah, it's just the regular drawstring. It's 36 inches in the name Crush Girl. And I got it in number 2. Yeah, number 2 is my hair color. So yeah, my hair is super dirty. I just took my braids out. I have church tomorrow, so I'm gonna rock with this hairstyle for tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just show y'all how I did my hair. So yeah, keep watching. Yeah, I'm just gonna start parting my hair. Wow, oh my gosh, I got so much dandruff. Hold on, I gotta get this out. Hold on. So yeah, I'm just detangling my hair now.
So yeah, I'm ready to put it in a ponytail.
Oh yeah, y'all going in with my Eco Style gel too, by the way. That's how I apply I apply it on my real hair, but I don't do my edges with it like that. You feel me?
It's gonna be so hard to do my hair like this. Oh my gosh, y'all. I ain't gonna be. Once again, y'all. I feel like this ponytail low-key lopsided, but like, I don't care. I'm stressed out already because my hair is just, I don't know. Maybe when I wash it, it'll be better, but right now it's in like a, I ain't even gonna go there with my hair. It's just being stupid right now.
I'm just gonna apply some gel to smooth it down the way I want it to be like. And now I'm just gonna start on my hair. I'm using the edge booster gel. I'm actually making 2 videos at the same time. I'm trying to figure out how to do that, so I'm just applying this up here.
Okay, so I just applied this gel on my hair and stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my edges.
So yeah, I'm just going in with this with my edge booster. I think it dries pretty fast because now it's kind of hard to do my edges with it. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out this edge booster stuff. It looks working pretty good, y'all. It ain't bad, y'all. From where I'm looking at, these edges looking nice, baby. So y'all, for your edges, one thing you're doing, you grab your comb down, you hold your edge and you swoop to the back. You push it back. You feel me? Like so, you know? You just comb it down, curve it, and hold it too, and then you push it back. Like that. And then you just grab the certain amount to make the same thing, because you don't want to like have that extra line of hair. So you just want to make it even, like an even nice cut by, so your other side can be even, so you can really see your parts for your edges. And you just hold it and you just swoop it. But you just grabbing it like that, you comb it down and you hold it and you just curve it and swoop back. Yeah, I'm going to just do this side too. Side, I'm going to do my sideburns too. So I'm using the edge booster again for the sideburns. But this edge booster works perfect, y'all. Like, I most definitely recommend getting some edge booster. Like, this works amazing. Like, I'm so happy about how my edges look with this joint on. Like, super happy. But now, this is the hard part. I'm gonna braid my hair back.
You have to fix it like mine. You want to like ties back as tight as possible because like, if you got big hair like me, it's gonna be pretty hard to put in like a little drawstring or whatever. I might try and see if I can see. I hope y'all can see. I know y'all can see. And yeah, this can be messy because like, I don't know, it don't matter. Just make sure it's tight.
I'm gonna make mine to the lower side like this. And you gotta do a hairpin, just pin your hair.
Okay, I just finished putting my hair in the bun. Now I'm gonna take my hair back. And like I told y'all, this is in the name Crush Girl, 36 inches. It's from Free Trust Equal. It's a drawstring ponytail. Yeah. Number 2. Color number 2. Like, if your hair look like this, you might be a number 2. But sometimes my hair looks black, but it's a number 2, y'all.
And this how it looks, y'all. Like, I'm at the back foot show y'all. That's how long it is, like this. Y'all, it's gonna be like this long on you, like, it's gonna be like that. like that. It's wearing, like, I don't recommend sleeping in this or anything like that. So whenever you take it out, I recommend putting your hair back in the hairnet. If you like a tighter hairnet, then put it in the tighter hairnet so it will, like, the curls will stay. So that's one tip I have for y'all when wearing a drawstring thing that has, like, curls in it. So I'm gonna stretch this drawstring out because my hair can't fit in this. I'm on the bottom, so 2 combs. And y'all, it's super soft. I can run my fingers through it. You know, curly hair and plus a synthetic hair, it's gonna tangle eventually. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this up here onto my head. So one thing you do when you clip it up here, you push it in your head. Like, you're gonna push it on your bun, then you're gonna grab the drawstring, pull it, and then wrap it around. So make sure you hold your hair when you do this. So I'm just gonna show y'all. I'm gonna throw it on like this. Okay. Y'all, this one looks amazing. Wow, oh my gosh. It's so long. I love it, y'all. We do like a little pose or whatever, like it's like this long. That's my butt, y'all. I'm 5'8". This is 36 inches. And it's all the way down to my butt. Let me stop. But yeah, this is how my hair looks like with the drawstring on. There's a few short pieces on it, but that's not gonna bother me, y'all. It looks great. Like, really like it. It's super cute. It's how it looks. I most definitely recommend this if y'all want some long inches and all that. Y'all can always cut it, but I'm not gonna cut this. I'm gonna leave it long. I'm gonna wear it long like this. So yeah, if y'all want some, I don't know, if y'all want something quick and easy to put on your head, and like, this is super easy to do. So I recommend y'all getting this kind of thing like that. And yeah, I really like it. Super cute, super easy to do. This is what this is. You can wear it as a high ponytail, but I'll probably wear it as a long ponytail. Yeah, I mean a low ponytail. So yeah, but this is Free Tress Equal Drawstring Ponytail in the style Crush Girl. It said you can use a curling iron. It's safe up to 400 heat. I'm not gonna put no heat on it. So yeah, just a regular drawstring ponytail. And this save y'all money on having to buy a bundle for it, and it looks good without the bundle. Like, it looks really nice, really natural. So yeah. And if you have shorter hair, like, it's not gonna stick out as much because I have a big bun back here. Like, I tied it. I mean, I held it back as much as I could. So this is how it came out as, and I'm really happy with how it looks. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.
Original 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type. That's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe.